Hello, beautiful day. I'm Delaney, it's your girl down light. Now, y'all, I'm gonna do something now. Okay, first I want y'all to see the ceiling fan. Y'all see the ceiling fan? Yeah, this fan is on. Okay, never mind. Y'all know I like to cover my TV. Okay, it's a fan right here. It's on. Y'all see the ceiling fan? It's not blowing, right? I want y'all to look at this. It's not blowing. It's not moving. It's not moving. It's not moving. It's not moving. But I want y'all to be able to see it and me. Okay. Now it ain't moving. It ain't moving. I'm gonna come out here because I'm busy. Okay? Watch how I'm gonna get this to move. Not, it ain't moving, but it's gonna move, y'all. Watch. I'm gonna get it to turn. I'm gonna get this up here. Y'all see my hands right here, so y'all can't think I turned it on. Okay, I'm gonna get this to move. I'm gonna get this fan right here to spin. Give it a minute because I gotta focus and get it done. Say the first time I did, because I did this back in my other phone. But I see it's not moving. When it start moving, it's my shit. Okay, it's me moving it. Look like I'm seeing it trying to move, but I gotta really focus. Come right here. Y'all still see me, right? Y'all still see the fan. Okay, I'm trying to focus. Oh, I'm gonna get it to move. Because I did it before. Here we go. Now, I can't say the whole time that other fan been making a move. It ain't been moved. Y'all know this stuff been start moving, so I start focusing on it. Now, am I using the chi and the energy in the room? Yes. But it's going to take my consciousness, my chi, my energy to see it and make it move. This might take a minute, so y'all got to bear with me, but I'm going to get this thing to move. I'm going to get it to turn. Got to picture it and see it. I see the energy around the fan. Now I'm imagining it, I'm picturing it that it's spinning. And it's easier said than done. This like it's moving some. I was spinning. this going, y'all better give me a hand clap. Leave me a comment or something. Maybe I'll finally give me some views. Stand up. Just move my hair on focus. Oh, I'm gonna give you the skin. Come this way. Y'all see me? Okay. I realize how determined I am in a minute. That when I say that I can do anything I put my mind to, I can do anything I put my mind to. Because I know who and whose I am. patience, y'all. In a time of great patience, you will see miracles. You will know exactly what you're capable of. You just gotta know it. You gotta know that it's possible. You gotta know it. You gotta see it. You gotta tap the look. You gotta know what you're capable of. You gotta know that the divine within you is real. That energy do exist. That you are energy. That you are the divine. You can do anything you put your mind to. Because the power lies within you. The power lies within you. Just focus. One day you'll get it. You'll know who you are. You'll know who you be. You'll know that you're connected to all that is. Don't never give up. You gotta keep going. Even when it don't seem like it. You gotta keep going. Even when it don't seem like it. You gotta keep going. You gotta keep going and know that you can do anything and all things you put your mind to. Because you are who you say you are. I never seen me moving this. But I know I can. See, y'all don't think that I am who I say I am, but I am who I say I am. And I'm going to keep going, and I'm not going to stop. And I'm never giving up no matter what until I get stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger. I'm going to keep moving and alchemizing and knowing that no matter what, I'm going to keep going. So I know that I can do anything and all things. Put my mind to it. Eventually it'll come ease. Eventually you can learn. And it becomes natural. You just go with the ebb and the flow. The more you practice, the more you stand for yourself, the more you know you can. The more you can. Now, if you hear good time, or let's go the other way. opposite way. That way. You see, can I control what direction it goes in? How much control do you have? Still moving it, but I want to push the other way. Still moving it, y'all, but I'm trying to control it to go in the other direction. My mind's still seeing it turn towards me. I gotta switch it up. Gotta see it going the other way. So I'm still seeing it come. I want to see it come the other way, y'all. Okay. Here we go. Can I see how I'm getting it to go the opposite direction? Okay, I can't say this is not me doing this if I'm controlling the dynamic of where I want it to go, right? And focusing. Y'all see it? Even though I'm moving it slow, y'all, you can't say I'm not doing this. Y'all see I'm pushing it? I want it to go in that direction now. As I see it going more in that direction, I can see it, but that's where I wanted to go. Away from me now, not towards me. Okay, I still gotta push off that way. I'm real connected now. I'm thankful y'all who has patience to work with me to see me doing this. Say I like to do stuff like this. This is alchemy for me, so I can control the dynamic of what I want. Let's see. See how it's still now? Still, y'all. Watch. stomach turning. Y'all, it's easier said than done. This is not easy. Y'all want to get it? Yeah, y'all want to do it? That's when you're bending the air and the wind. You still gotta focus, because this is a heavy object. Like this, the ceiling fan ain't no, it ain't light now. It ain't paper. It ain't foil. But it is possible. I showed y'all me pushing it the other direction. I don't mind showing these type of things because it's what we gotta do. Now, what I say, you can do anything you put your mind to, too. Just take time and work and practice. Now, I'm gonna stop working with it. Okay? I'm gonna stop working with it. I'm gonna let it be. Okay? So y'all can see. Now I might still be connected to it, but I don't think it's gonna turn if I ain't focused on it. Because that's a lot of work. If it do, it's because I'm still connected, but I'm not connected to it. I just want to show y'all this. No, the fan is not blowing it, okay? It's not the fan. When it moves, if it moves, it's me, okay? I should be connected to it enough right now to get it moving on my own. Even from here now, because I've been doing it for a minute. But, you know, it's not the fan moving, okay? It's just not. If it was the fan moving it, it'd be constantly moving. It has to be me trying to rotate it and me motioning it and me trying to get it to spin. And it's no easy feat, okay? But I enjoyed doing this. I really enjoyed this. I hope y'all enjoyed me doing a little telekinesis. I'm telling you, girls gonna show up and show out. All right? Remember that the pressure creates a beautiful diamond light. Until next time. Bye now.